Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about this Hisense GoBoard Live, the whiteboard built-in applications. Now, this whiteboard is very useful and it comes with many pre-built features. For instance, you can use your finger to draw the pen. First thing, it will come with brush effect. You know, when you turn on, you have the brush effect like this. The next feature we're going to talk about is the multi-touch feature, whereby you can have a simultaneous touch at the same time. See? You can suddenly do up to 20 touch points available for this Hisense GoBoard. Then the next thing we want to try is the smart shape features. Assuming you're drawing a circle which is not to size or a rectangle. Next, we have the standard word transition. Like if you write hi, it will auto-correct for you. Now the next thing is the pen written mode. This one you have more features to use. If I turn it on, what will happen? You can use your finger, select a particular area, it will auto highlight the thing, and you can drag and move it around. Okay, or you can copy it, change the color, or even move to the next page. If you want to erase any annotation or drawing that you've done on a whiteboard, you can do so with your palm. See? Or you can use the pen tip. If you have turned on the pen return mode, you can just erase it. Now the next tool we're going to show is the tools, which is insert table, which is very useful if you need to have a predefined table like 2 by 2. We insert the table, then you use select brush. Now this table, you can write along, it will adjust accordingly. Tools like straight edge. If you need to draw, and then you can have this acute triangle, protector. You can change the background, like you want a yellowish background or a dark background. So either solid color, or you can choose your favorite picture, like you have a game, you want to discuss about game. We have this kind of background. And after you annotate, you can always use this export, share it out. So all the audience, they can just scan this QR code and they get this in PDF format. And then the other option is you can always save your session under HTML file together with the PDF format, so that later on you can share it out and for other audience as well.